Welcome guys to a brand new CapCut tutorial PC on PC, and I'm gonna show you a very interesting effect that you can create this progress bar, how you can create this progress bar, how you can make a progress bar in CapCut PC. It looks really good actually, and it's very easy to create in fact, because on other programs, on other softwares like DaVinci Resolve, such as DaVinci Resolve it will take you more time, like way more time, and it's really complicated. You have to learn you need to learn Fusion. When it comes to DaVinci Resolve, you need to learn Fusion, and it's very complicated. It takes you a lot of time. But on CapCut PC, it's actually very easy. So make sure you watch this here to the very end, and I'm gonna show you the entire process. So let's say we have this video, very simple video. I'm going to add a progress bar. So to create a progress bar, we can use text. So add to the track, and now expand this uh, till the end of the video. Expand this, stretch this text, and then here in the text default, make sure here you just type this. Make sure you type this. More. And now we click on this character and we stretch this so they will start to, you know, to close to, what's the right word? Um, so we'll start like to combine to come together. So now there's just we only have one line here, and we also, another thing that we need is some stroke. So click on stroke, not on glow, but you cannot glow as well actually, and or shadow cannot, but we need some stroke first, and we can decrease this. Actually, this stroke doesn't look that bad, so we can add some stroke. Why not? It's up to you. Actually, I'm gonna add some stroke so I can make this pretty cool. Can also have some shadow, but I think that's enough. But actually, yeah, we can add some shadow. And now we just have to Control C, Control V. You can also right click here and click on a copy, and then you right click and click on paste. And now what you have to do, guys, is to click here on animation, and here in, and here just select this, where is it? We just have to look for wipe right. And now just increase this duration to the very end, and make sure here now we change the color. In color we change this to green. I like this color. And now we have our progress bar. So let's go back to animation, in. Now the progress bar is like from this direction, and make sure is actually from this direction, wipe right, and around this. And we have our progress bar. Now here you can remove shadow, and you can for the one that is above this first one. So this text, this progress bar, we have two. Make sure for the first one, the one that is on top of the second one, and make sure here you remove glow and you remove shadow, because we already have shadow. We already added shadow to the first one, the one that is below the first one, underneath the first one. So now the one that is above, now make sure you don't have any, you should leave some stroke. That's actually fine. It's up to you. But now we have our progress bar. It looks pretty good. Now better is to press Alt plus G now to create the compound clip. And now this is what you can do. You can just, or you can create a compound clip only for our only for our progress bar. You can move our progress bar now where you want. If you don't like this shadow, because I actually don't really like this shadow, now Alt plus G, and we can move this progress bar here or where you want. You can also, when you select maybe for social media, and we also have our progress bar, should be around here. Let's stretch this, change the resolution. Now we have our progress bar as well, and we can add this progress bar here. Now if you want to, now we can obviously also crop this progress bar. So it's like this now. And you can use this every single time. You don't have to recreate this because you can save this project. So yeah, it's better to save this instead of creating every single time you need a progress bar, you have to recreate this. So I really hope guys you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Take care.